We'll go ahead and listen. During
Uh-huh.
the next 10 months, all bus operators 2 or more years of service will be required to have completed 20 hours of refresher training on one of the vehicle maneuvering training buses. Instructors who have used this new technology report that trainees develop skills more quickly and with traditional training methods. In refresher training, this new system reinforces defensive driving skills and safe driving habits. Drivers can also check their reaction times and hand-eye coordination. As an added benefit, the city expects to save money with the simulators because the new system reduces the amount of training time in an actual bus, saving on parts, fuel, and other operating expenses. Any questions on that?
Nope.
Okay. Now, you are not allowed to add information to this, right? We've talked about that at length. You cannot add, you cannot subtract. You can only use what's there.
Okay.
So when you answer this question, I'm going to ask you, where did you find the answer? And you're going to tell me.
Hmm. Okay. Can we do multiple choice? Okay, we're doing it.
And type your answer in the chat, please.
Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so where does it say that? Where does it say that letter D is the
Just
correct
that at
answer?
the beginning of the sentence right here. All bus operators with 2 or more years of service will be required to have completed 20 hours of refresher training.
That is correct. All right, very good.
Hmm.
And let's look at another one. All right, let me this. Let's see if we can get to fit. I don't know if yeah, that fit. Okay, go ahead and take a look at that question and type your answer, please.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
Okay, where does it say the answer A?
So where it says the answer is that, it says that from it says that all it says that mhm. It says that for proper driving habitats, it says right here that they use it for training and develop skills of traditional in refresher training. It's defensive driving skills and safe driving habits.
Agree.
You agree?
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna look at a slightly longer passage now.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you're ready, if you want to start reading for us, please.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Beginning on July 1st, the company will institute some changes in our to our policies and procedures, PMP. Please take time before that date to familiarize yourself with both the existing PNP and the planned changes. The P can be found on the company website under the PNP link. Certain changes may affect your job description and vacation time. Medical benefits or other aspects of employment. These changes will become effective beginning July 31st, but will not be considered retroactive. Some areas that will change include the following: overtime cap for hourly employees, sick time for salary employees, safety requirements for yard workers, dress code for office employees. If you have any questions concerning these changes, please contact the Human Resources Office at EXT 412. All employees will be expected to understand and abide by the new PNP statement as defined on our website and in our employee handbook.
Okay, very good. Couple of questions for you. And when we go back and look at this, can you tell me what PNP, what that refers to?
D PNP,
Yes. What does PNP refer to?
yeah, I think it refers to I think it refers to the policies and procedures.
Yes, that is correct.
Mhm.
I'll be right back with you in 30 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, I am back. Um, what does the word retroactive mean?
Retroactive. Okay. Retroactive. I have no idea what that means.
All right, we'll go out to the internet and look it up for me, please.
Okay. Taking effect from a date in the past.
Okay. So a date in the past,
Hmm.
that's fine. Just trying to scroll here. Okay. EXT means extension. Extension. Have you seen that before?
Yeah.
Sure.
Extension. Yeah, I think I know what the extension is.
Okay. You want us to read this one more time, or do you feel like you understand it?
I feel like I understand it. The extension, I heard of it, but I don't even know the definition of it.
Okay. So just because it's gonna be hard to scroll, I'm gonna drop the reading in the chat, and I'm gonna post the question now underneath.
Okay.
This one's a little bit longer.
Okay. You can't seem to put the question on the screen?
No, I will. I'm going to put the question on the screen.
Hmm. What you put in the chat?
I put in the chat the reading passage.
Okay. All right. In case if it's fine for me to be doing that.
Sure.
Hmm. Okay. So the purpose of this passage is to, okay, let me answer that. C.
Okay. And now, are you confident in your answer?
Uh-huh.
Yes, that is correct. Okay. It is to inform of upcoming changes.
Yep.
Okay. This is a pretty direct question. Let me put it up on the screen here.
Okay.
When will policies and procedures change?
Okay. Okay. It will change. D, July 1st, because that's at the beginning of the sentence.
Nope. Read it one more time.
It's beginning on July 1st.
No.
Oh, July 31st. Oh, that was a C.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Here's another question. Make sure you use what's in there, not what your own opinion is.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go.
Which of the following is not mentioned as an effect of the upcoming changes? Okay. We just D.
Okay, and where did you find that answer? Or where did you not find
You
that
have to go
answer?
to the steps, that it doesn't say vacation time in there.
Okay. But it does talk about all the others. Is that correct?
Yeah, medical benefits is for sickness.
Yeah. Very good. We think there's one more question on this we can do.
Okay.
All right, here it is. How will sick time benefits be affected by the new policies?
Okay. Okay. How will sick time benefit be affected by new policies? Okay.
Gonna close it. Just stay here. So that okay. I'm gonna go get another cover real quick. Okay.
Okay. I think I'm gonna be saying I think C, I would say.
So I'm gonna ask you is where does it say that in there? Where does it say that it's gonna stay the same?
Sick time for salaried employment, it says, employees.
Okay. Does it say that does it say anywhere though that they will stay the same?
I don't think so.
Okay. Like it does I don't see it. I mean, that's why I'm asking you. Maybe you see it. I don't see where it says it's gonna stay the same.
Okay, I know what it is. It's, can you go down? It's gonna be, B.
So where does it say that?
Says right here.
Tell me where it says
Sick
that.
time for salaried employees, that it will happen to that.
Where does it say that? Tell me exactly where to look.
In the steps right here, the dotted lines, the dots.
That doesn't say that to me.
What?
I'm gonna get that second.
Um, A. It's A.
And where does it say that employees will have less sick time?
Because it says, at the top, it says they will have less sick time, that it was saying
Where
up
where
there.
where does it say that?
Like you can see right here, and sick time is for salary employees, so it's gonna be having less sick time for salary employees, that's what it means.
Does it say less sick time?
No,
You cannot add or subtract to this writing.
okay, sorry, but it's just somebody is in my room and they're just doing something.
Okay.
Okay, they're done now. Alright, it's a D. It's gonna be D.
You cannot add or subtract. I mean, Sourish, I mean, we talked about that over and over again. Like I'd rather you,
I picked D.
you know, after picking D and then C and then A, C and then A and then D.
It's because somebody was in my room and just doing
Then tell
something.
me,
That's why.
then tell me, say, hey, I need a break.
Yeah.
All right, here's the last question on this passage.
Okay. And then I'll have a break.
It's up to you.
Hmm. Okay. Where are the policies and procedures found? Okay, let me just see that. Hey,
Right, where did it say that in the?
it says that the P&P can be found on the company website under the P&P link.
Is that what that?
Uh-huh. The company. On the company website.
Okay. Is there
Yeah.
anywhere else they can? And is there anywhere else that it mentions in there? Because that website is not specifically mentioned.
But it says that it's gonna be in the company website. It's just like that.
Does it talk about the Human Resources Office, Extension 412, Employee Handbook?
It says all employees will be expected to understand and abide by the new P&P statement as defined on our website and our employee handbook. So it's in the employee handbook. See,
Yeah,
but I thought it was company side because it said that at the beginning of the sentence, like at the during
it
the middle of the
didn't
beginning
give
sentence.
specifically that website. It just said on the company website. It didn't say companywebsite.com.
Oh,
You cannot add or subtract. You can only use what's there.
okay. All right. Can I have a break
Sure. How much time do you want?
for 5 minutes?
Okay. Hey, Sourish, let me know when you're back.
Okay, I'm back. I'm
All
back.
right, we're gonna read some poetry now.
Poetry? Okay.
Yep. All right, so whenever you're ready, if you want to read this poem out loud for us, please.
Okay. Okay, the eagle. He claps the crag with crooked hands, close to the sun in lonely lands, rigged with the azure wood he stands. The wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. He watches from his mountain walls, and like a thunderbolt he falls.
Hey, what is this poem about?
This poem is just telling about the eagle and like that, just what's it, just like things about the eagle. It's just a poetry.
Okay, why does he say close to the sun?
That I don't even know what that means. Close to the
Well,
sun, it's like some
he
kind of
flies. He flies in the air.
yeah, like flies in the air.
Yeah.
I mean, like I did poetry when I was like a sophomore. I did poetry in ELD grammar and writing of
Okay.
Nothing Gold Can Stay.
All right.
So yeah,
And okay, well, if
and
you're
I
close
just
to
had
the
to
sun,
remove
it means you're in
the.
the air. What is
Mhm.
the sea crawling? What does that mean?
The
Sea
sea
crawling.
crawling. It's like making waves.
Okay, I agree. And if you fall like a thunderbolt, is that fast or slow?
Like a thunderbolt. I think that for that, that's the fast.
Okay. All right, let's answer some questions now. You ready?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and read the question, please.
Yeah. Given the tone of the poem and noting especially the last line, what is the eagle most likely doing in the poem? Okay.
Read the last line of the poem.
And like a thunderbolt, he falls.
What does that mean?
Means he's going fast. It's going
Okay,
fast.
why would he go fast?
Because the thunderbolt, it comes from lightning, and lightning strikes very fast.
Yeah, but he's not lightning. He's not thunder.
Uh-huh.
Why would an eagle fall like thunder? Why would he do that?
And the eagle falls like thunder because the eagle falls like thunder because that's just that for the eagle, if
Have you ever seen an eagle or a bird
yeah, I think I've
flying
seen it
around
before. The
and
eagle,
then
I've
they
seen the
dive?
eagle. Yeah, I've seen the eagle.
What do they do when they dive?
When they dive,
Yeah.
when they dive, they hunt for prey.
Okay, so what's the correct answer here?
B.
Okay, let's look for another one here. You kind of already answered this one, but we'll just look at it real quick. If I can grab a snip of it.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Second stanza, the first line. To which of the following does the verb crawl refer? Crawl.
Crawl.
So
Well, crawl,
the
it means
the
it's like
wrinkled sea beneath
it's
him
creating
crawls.
waves.
Okay. So what is the best answer?
A.
It is A. Very good. All right. Any questions on what we did tonight?
Nope.
All right. Another good lesson in the book. If you
Yep.
want, you can let your dad know we're all done for
Dad,
today.